So yesterday I spent all day sorting and loading iron on the truck, or on the trailer, and scrapping out stuff for clean aluminum. You get twice as much if your aluminum doesn't have metal and plastic and stuff in it. So all of this, these totes here, are all full of clean aluminum. There's all the fascia and eave troughs and everything from having the roof replaced on my house. There's some more scrap. Here's the table I've been working at. Got that for free. It's a nice sturdy metal table. That shelf over there is going to go on my next load. Here's all the scrap for this load so far. I got some more stuff up front that I've been piling up there since I didn't have a chance to be able to get to the backyard. So that's where I'm at now. Looks like my work table's covered in frost. All these tools came out of scrap, and I use those to tear stuff apart. Here's radiators I took out of dehumidifiers, and I got an air conditioner I'm gonna tear down. It doesn't have any Freon in it, so it shouldn't be a problem. But I've been getting quite a bit done out here. This was all piled up when I started. Still gotta get that big freezer out of here. I found an easy way to take these aluminum walkers apart. I just drill out the rivets on them. I must have a dozen of them out here. There's a stack of them there, and there's more over there, and there's some, and there's some. And then I don't know how many crutches I got. There's a ton of those laying around. The burn pile's getting pretty big. All that wood. Well, I'm on my way to the scrapyard. And I catch a train. Oh, that's lucky. Got here just at the end of it. Over there's the scrapyard. I got a truck bed full of totes full of smashed cans and a couple totes of braided wire. I'm hoping to have over a ton on the trailer. Like I'm weighing in right at 8,600 pounds. Weighing out at 7140. I didn't get a chance to film at the scrapyard, but here's my totals. I had $164 for scrap iron on the trailer, and the cans and the 2 buckets of wire got me $165. So not bad for a morning haul.